Topping news tonight, the Ministry of Health and Wellness is expanding its mental health program. This, according to Press Secretary in the Office of the Prime Minister, Clint Watson, who revealed during the OPM's weekly press briefing that the mounting concerns of residents struggling with mental illness is at the forefront of the minister's mind. Simone Davis has the details in this report.
Amid ongoing social conversations about mental health and Bahamians who suffer from mental illness, Dr. Michael Darville, Minister of Health and Wellness, has decided to extend mental health programs within his ministry. According to Press Secretary in the Office of the Prime Minister, Clint Watson, this move is in an effort to help as many Bahamians as possible.
The Ministry of Health and Wellness is expanding its mental health program, and unfortunately because of the demand and the need in the country. And so Minister Michael Darville is going to be announcing soon a new program in mental health wellness and a campaign as well, so that people can know where they can reach out to and who they can reach out to get help.
Now, the ZNS Network just recently produced a documentary on suicide and mental health. And according to global statistics, the number of people seeking help for mental illness is rapidly increasing. When asked if the government has any statistics on the number of persons in the country struggling with mental health issues, Watson said,
I'm familiar with they're doing a census, and I'm thinking you mean in regards to mental health. How many people in our country may have issues? What they've been trying to do is, as people come in, document it. As people go for medical health checkups or other things, to try and be able to understand where people are in that regard, and hopefully back it up with the numbers. You're very right. The challenge we've had in the years past is data. We don't know. We don't know. And being able to understand how much this impacts our society is very important. It's a part of Ministry of Health and Wellness, their program, to try and get an understanding of how many Bahamians are dealing with it.
Watson says that helping Bahamians with any kind of mental disorder is high on the government's agenda, even more so after the COVID-19 pandemic.
The reality is people struggle, and so there has to be robust programs to remove stigma from it, and that's something the Ministry of Health is working particularly on, especially coming out of the pandemic, where we recognize that there has been increased cases and concerns because of what people went through mentally at the pandemic. So that's coming on soon, and we're going to continue to keep the pressure on because we have to address it. But it could be anybody. We're all one step away, perhaps, from being in a place of vulnerability. So it's important that we address this issue.
For the Bahamas Tonight, the Northern Edition, I'm Simone Davis.